My name is Momita Singha. I'm your Rubaru Miss India Supermodel Worldwide 2021. I'm 19 years old from Silchar, Assam. I'm born and brought up in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Currently, I'm pursuing medicine. Apart from this, I'm a fitness enthusiast. I love being fit and healthy. As I am an empowered woman, I believe in empowering other women out there. That's why my mom and dad, they introduced me to various things like yoga, dance, martial arts, sports at a very young early age, so that one day I would become an empowered woman and would be willing to empower more women out there. So currently also I'm associated with Bethesda Foundation. It's an NGO where I'm providing small kids good quality of education. I believe that good quality of education matters a lot because education, it's a basic human right. Now, apart from this, my dad, he's in Indian Army. My mom, she's a homemaker, and I have one younger sister. Currently, she's in 12th standard, preparing herself for 12th board exams. So there were 15 different girls who were selected from all over country India, and definitely, luckily, I was announced as the winner and got the title of Rubaru Miss India Supermodel Worldwide 2021. Now I have the opportunity to represent my country on the international pageant, that is Miss Supermodel Worldwide. Mayam Punamakta, I'm so sorry from the bottom of my heart. As I said that since childhood I'm living outside. My birthplace is in Dehradun, and my dad, he's an army, so since childhood I've been traveling with them all over our country. So I'm so sorry from the bottom of my heart. Ay mitulon ngang ba jam na haite, but mi na ngang biti ay khandi. So again, I'm so sorry for it. So coming to the next part, that is my study journey. So I have completed my 12th standard from Army Public School, Town, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. And so since childhood, I was kind of student who was always into academics. I used to manage my academics along with the studies. In every standard, actually, yes, in every standard, I scored good marks, around 80 to 90%. During my 10th boards, I scored 85%. And after that, at 11th standard, my specification was physics, chemistry, bio. My aim of life, definitely, since childhood, I always wanted to be a Miss India, and it has been always my biggest dream of life. I always looked up to Priyanka Chopra, Aishwarya Rai, Susmita Sen, and etc. Many more. There are so many Miss Indias. So today I'm sitting as here as a Miss India, and definitely I have the opportunity to represent my country. That has been always my biggest dream of life. So I'm going to fulfill my dream now. So I'm very happy about it. But apart from this, that I always wanted to be a part of glamour industry, fashion and glamour industry field, that is Bollywood. Definitely, if I'll get any chance, any opportunity to work in Bollywood industry, I would love to be part of it because I love it. And I'm also a social activist. Currently, I am associated with Bethesda Foundation. So as I said that I'm helping the kids there. I'm providing them good quality of education, working on the quality of education. So I just want to help people as much as I can. I want to contribute towards society as much as I can, so that people could know my name, and if I leave this world, I just want to be remembered as a person who showed the inner beauty, the kindness, and the loyalty. I want to make other people believe in humanity, because somewhere we think that humanity doesn't exist anymore, but I feel it do exist. We all are connected with each other through humanity. We just need to take step forward. We just need to take step as an individual for a right thing. We just need to raise our voice. I have a very beautiful message for all the youngsters out there. Is, as per my experience of life, I feel that failures are a part of your growth. People say that failure should not be an option. But I say that failure, it should be an option. It's okay to cry, it's okay to get rejections in your life, it's okay to get failures in your life, but what's not okay is giving up. Failure should be an option, but giving up should not be an option. Failure teaches you so much in your life. I feel that definitely failures are a part of your growth. When I had a lot of failures in my life, I still do face a lot of failures, but when I face a lot of criticism because of my facial features, wherever I used to go, wherever I was getting a good kind of work, people used to say me that you don't have that Indian face, you are not an Indian beauty, and we are searching for Indian beauty. So that thing actually hurted me a lot, that I am from India, so what's the matter of not calling me an Indian beauty? So I felt so disheartened that time, and I got a lot of rejections in my life because of my facial features. So I would just say, have passion, love, dedication, determination, respect for that work. Definitely you are gonna achieve your goal, not today, not tomorrow, but definitely someday. Do not lose hope and just keep working hard. So if we talk about mobile phones, Instagram, social media, Facebook, or internet, definitely it's good for you until and unless you are not using it to harm other people. If you are using your mobile phone for a study purpose or for knowledge gaining purpose, it's good for you because you're gaining knowledge. It's good for you. But if you are using mobile phones or internet to harm other people, or you're using just it unnecessarily for no reason, you are a phone addict, please don't do it. It's so bad for your mental health, so bad for your mental health. So please, I would just say one thing, rather than spending your most of the time on phone, on social media, I would just say spend your time with your family and do what you love. That means I love workout, I love doing workout, I love going gym. So in my free time, I just go to gym. So you can do dance, cooking, singing, or whatever you love. So just go for it. So at last, I just want to say that nobody's life is perfect, and I started my modeling career when I was just 15 years old. I was in 11th standard. My mom, dad, my whole family was against of me because nobody in my family have ever went out for this, and this is for the first time that I am stepping for this. So at that time, nobody was supporting me. I used to go to my modeling grooming sessions by my own with teary eyes, swollen eyes. I used to cry so much because I used to fight for my dream. And at one time, seeing my dedication, passion, determination towards my dream, my mom, dad started supporting me, and today they are supporting me so much. I'm so thankful to them. I'm so thankful to God for giving me such parents, because I feel that parent support, it's the most important part in your success. My parents are supporting me so much today. I just couldn't express in words. I just want to make them feel proud. Now, yes, after that I faced a lot of criticism because, as I said, because of my facial features, I faced a lot of criticism, and I wasn't the priority because of my facial features. In spite of having talent, people used to say me that you are a very hardworking person, you have these skills, you have the talent, but we cannot give you this work because you don't have that facial feature. So that actually disheartened me. So I would just say today, as you all can see, Northeasterns are not less than anyone. They are progressing. People say that Northeasterns, they are not very talented, they are not very much talented, but I just want to say, just want to clear one thing, that if you see in the sports field, if you see in the education field or a fashion glamour industry or in any career field, you just see that there are a lot of Northeastern people who are progressing, making their name, and now Northeasterns are shining. There are a lot of personalities who are coming out from Northeast and they are making their name. So Northeasterns are not less than anyone. So to all the people out there, please fight for your dream. Do not lose your hope. Mayam mapamda haijaningba amana aina ranba wahe ngangkiba tarabasu ngakpiu ko mitai panamar aina jamna nungsi, keep supporting. Kurumjari.